Yo, welcome to the channel. It's the bold biker. Go on. Just gonna do a little tinkering on the enduro bike because it threw me down the road. Did about 40 miles. Just cut out. Riding down the road. It's been sound all day. Just cut out. Wasn't fuel. Had fuel in there. So I don't know what it is. Might be something gammy in the carbs. So it's currently just in pieces, as you can see. I've started stripping it down already. I'm going to try and take the carb off today. I watched some bloke on YouTube do it because I ain't got a clue. There she is, all up in the grill. That chap took bolts out from the bottom of the swing arm, loosened the top bolts, and then lifted the whole thing up, which then freed off the carb from here, like this boot, because you can't really move it. It's just a pain apparently. So yeah, I'm going to disconnect everything in here, hopefully get the carb off, get it clean. I've got any spark plug to go in it because that is filthy as well. That's probably not helping the situation. Yeah, basically just absolutely send it, rip it apart, see what we can do. Enjoy.
Come on, you know, this ain't a joke. It's real life, it ain't for show. You run your mouth, I slap your face, no apology. I'm old school, man, when I come through dilly on that 1-2. Say what I feel like and that's fair these days. I ain't plant-based, but I'm gonna harvest more than every single UK artist. You know the score, we on the tour. Big bag, got me feeling bored. I heard your song, I heard your jam, made me so sick. I changed the song quick. Fire in a burning drum, fire in a burning drum now. You're sick, but you're such a prick, but you're my friend, so we don't back down. You know I know, I watch them blow, then watch them go. Don't worry though, they can't keep a good man down as much as they'd like. 6 in the morning, and I'm falling. Everyone's clinging to the state that they're falling. The crack go pop, then it's a banger. Props to the DJ for loading up a banger. Fire in a burning drum, fire in a burning drum now. You're sick, but you're such a prick, but you're my friend, so we.
So then, gang, oh Jesus Christ. So then, gang, just remove this. Look at that little bugger. Don't know if it's supposed to be there. I assume not, but that might be part of our problem. It's not ideal. But the carb is off. Fairly straightforward, actually. Good old YouTube. Yeah, so it is. So we'll strip this bad boy down and see what's popping. Come on and that, let's rip this motherfucker apart, cuz. I have no idea what I'm doing. Putting it out there. Take these little screws off, I assume. Maybe this little bad boy will do. Let's see what's buzzing. This one's a dirty. Little screws, a little hex. Oh. That looks very spangled. Fun. Fuel fucking everywhere, man. Surprised how much fuel's in that bitch. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Well, that sucks. That screw's about fucked. That one comes off. Nicely done, brother. Oh, you're killing me. Kind of stinks, man. Getting high off the fumes, brother. Woo. Oh, Nelly. What are these opposite ones? That's fucking cream cracker now, but. Oh, we got one out. Yes, boys. Well, we're going to have to get new screws, so we can't put it back together today anyway. But that's the vibe. This one too far gone. Maybe. I said maybe. I think she's fucked. Job's fucked, boys. Bastard. Come on, you slag. He's not having it, but. I think this one is fully cooked. Jesus Christ. Bit of shock therapy maybe. Box it off. Problem is, it's just fucking solid. What fucking state of that? Bastards. I should just continue with the beating of a small piece in there, you know? Oh, is that going to break? Probably. So we can do it this way. Yes! Get in, up the fish. So we're going to need more screws, but we got there. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Hold tight the monkey metal inside. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. I'm saying. I guess, do these change? Hmm. Yeah. No. Where the hell's that gone? Rest in peace, that man. I see. So that. This should be fiddly as a ras, my brother. We'll figure it out later. Wait, there we go. What your size you reckon that is? 6? Of course. Already bang on, mate. crystal clear. So is that. Oh, a little one in there. Another little one tucked in here. Yeah, looks clean. She looks clean, doesn't it? That's alright. I'm sure what this fucking thing is. We'll have a look, shall we? What the hell? What the hell? That's how the float comes out. Just pull that pin. Pin job. That looks nice and clean in there, to be fair. Quite there. We've come this far, might as well have a look, boys. Should put a tart. There's a bit of grass that came out, so I'm concerned there's going to be more shit in there. You get me? Oh shit, no way. That's cool. Oh, those look pretty sound now, mate. Ooh. Should I have got a sales kit for it? Probably. Should I order one? Probably. Find out the... Yo! So we got a rebuild kit and that. But it doesn't come with these, so I'll keep this on. It shows here, I assume it's this screw. Comes out, so we'll do turns. Can we see that bad boy? Do you reckon? I'm scared. Okay.
So let me ask you a question. What are you broadcasting? You do not attract what you chase.
How can we just send it, my mate? What do you reckon? Rebuild kit's only somebody seal, isn't it? How can we put it back together?
You attract what you are.
It could have been that rage stuff that was stopping it starting, maybe?
You are either a magnet
Or it could have just been a spark plug and this could be a whole waste of
or
time.
a
But
repellent.
at least you know she's crispy. Me without you. See if we get monetized or whatever it is. Oh, we can't rebuild it because we need the screws, don't we? Bollocks. Oh well then, that's the end of this episode of doing bits in the garage because it's too cold to fucking ride bikes. and the one bike I can ride is broken, so stoked on life. Just box off a couple of these in there. Simple one in there, didn't it? That bad boy. If I'm correct. Something like that, my mate. The good part is I can't make it any worse because it didn't run before. So if it still doesn't run now, then I don't know. Just rip the top end off and rebuild that, I guess. These fuckers, mate. That bad boy on there. That bad boy on there. That bad boy on there. Fucking mint. We'll put this back on properly. Properly. And not wrap that fucking oil on it with it because that was a pain in the ass. There she goes, one kind of back together car. Inside. Oh, inside. Cool. Yo, that's another one done. Another one? I ain't fucking did the first one. Shit. Let me start again. Go. 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 Shit boy. I'm your fuck boy. So that's the end of the video. The carb's now in bits. Well, it's kind of back together, as you'll see. As soon as it's back on and the kit's arrived, then we can get it all back on. That's where we're at the moment. All fucked. Bike looks like it's doing a wheelie in that. Come on. Mint job. Charles bike. Freestyle it. But yeah, that's the end of that. So yeah, well, stay tuned for the next video. If you've watched, big up, subscribe, like, comment if I'm being a fucking idiot and staring at what I'm doing. Just sort of making it up. I'm kind of well yeah, just freestyling it. Looking at YouTube. If it's not on YouTube, just got to guess, haven't we? So, see if it goes back together in one piece. But yeah, no, appreciate you watching and all that jazz. Peace and love.